Welcome to another video, everyone. Today I'm gonna be doing some person nails, and I have the almond shape from that brand that I showed you, Miss Cheating from Shein, and I already placed the nails on the stands, and I'm going ahead with some filing and prepping the nail tips. Person nails are my favorite nail enhancement because I don't like to wear nails all the time. I just like to have a quick manicure before I go out for an event or anything like that, and press-ons are just perfect for any occasion. If you have a very good glue and you prep your natural nails very well, they will last you as well for a while. Sometimes I like to prep the nail tip with primer, but today I decided to go ahead and file off the shine from the nail tips. And next I'm going to apply base gel from the brand iMaily and cure it for 60 seconds. Next, I'm going to go ahead and paint the nails. Today I'm going to be using multiple colors, and I even have to mix one of the colors to make it into brown because I don't have a brown gel polish right now. I think that will be my next purchase. But for today, this is what I did. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Now I'm going to start creating the design. Right here I have to mix different gel polishes to create a brown gel polish because I don't have. And this is the mix I did. I was lucky. I got this beautiful brown color and I'm gonna be using it as an accent nail. Here I have another beautiful liner gel polish from Born Pretty. This is in silver, and this one I like it so much. It has a very nice shine. You just have to be very careful because it can get very messy really fast. So I probably had to redo this design like 3 times. But here I'm showing you the first one that I did. I probably should have kept the first one, but no, I had to go ahead and try 2 more times behind the cameras, and finally I just left it the way it was, and I was happy with it. But this is a very cute design where you go around the nail to create like a frame, and then you join it in the middle, and it becomes like 3 circles, kind of. I don't know what it's called, but it's cute. And then I'm gonna be curing this for 60 seconds. Here I have a blooming gel from Born Pretty. It works really fast, so I have to be careful, otherwise the other color is gonna spread really fast and a lot. And I'm using the brown gel polish again just to create some accent here, just gonna be like a random dots, and I'm gonna let it spread. And when I'm happy with it, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. With the black liner gel, I'm creating another design here in two of the nails. This is another cute design. This is like an abstract, I guess, because it doesn't have a name for it. It's just a shape that goes, I guess, asymmetrical along the nail, and then you do like another branch of it, and then it becomes really, really cute. I don't know, but it looks good like the previous one that I created as well. I don't know the name of these designs, but it's just nail art. Nail art can be anything you like. Just be creative with it and have fun. I'm gonna be using again this silver gel polish and create a couple of Frenchies in one of the index nails and one of the thumb nails, and cure that for 60 seconds. Next, I'm gonna be creating an ombre in the center of the nail, and I'm gonna be using these mini sponges with it's like a tool that grabs the sponge, and it's very helpful to create ombres, as you can see here. And what I'm doing is flash curing in between layers, so I can continue again and apply another layer right away until I'm happy with the way the ombre looks, and then I will give it a full cure for 60 seconds under my bigger UV lamp. Next, I want to apply some decoration. I have everything organized in one of these album books that I purchased on Shein. Finally organized my stickers, and I have some cute stars here. I'm going to apply a few on some of the nails. Then I'm going to go ahead with the top coat, cure it for 60 seconds, apply my nails onto my nails with the sticky tabs, and I'll show you the final results. this is the final results for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You have a wonderful day. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.